kalat tuloy kasi ng mga tao. Like, I have so many influencer friends. I put in front. No, if you look at all our shows, everyone in front are the super duper duper fans.
Tsaka hindi ka talaga nagbibigay ng access sa influencers. Yun, sure talaga ako doon. Promise. Actually, you're one of the nicest people I know. Totoo naman, na hindi ko sure kung dapat ba. With your position and your, kumbaga, dapat sa position mo, mas ka eh.
Mas ano?
Kumbaga, mas ka sa tao. Hindi ko naman sinasabi.
CEO-able?
Hindi, actually, not even that. Kasi parang, diba, ang dami mo kasing i-offer. Now, if you're too nice, a lot of people tend to parang look at you as a vending machine. Gets mo? Alam mo yung sinasabi, you know what I mean, right? And a lot of people have taken advantage of you in many different, kunya, kung sa pera man, sa emotions, di ba? Yung parang kakaibigan ka lang kasi access. How do you deal with that now?
Well, ever since the reason talaga I'm accessible then was I really chose to be accessible naman. That's how I started my Twitter eh. Kasi I wanted them to put a face para pag may concern sila, para pag meron silang suggestion. Kasi I felt, diba, like when we started kasi, it was really a collaboration among people eh. So I was really open to that. It's just that, I guess as they get bigger, as people were getting more and more, the demand I cannot handle anymore. Because I'm one.
Yeah.
Tapos imagine how many that was. So, during that time, I just handle it as how I would handle it pa din. Like, kunyari, imagine if during that time they love me so much. If I took it all in, siguro yabang-yabang ko na.
Feel na feel mo na.
Oh, feel na feel ko na. Tapos biglang hinate ako. Di tumalon na ako ng building. It's too high up down emotion. So I wasn't going through that. I was really just focused on doing what I love. I wanted to answer you. That's why I answered you. Nagalit ka. Parang alam mo yon, sorry. Parang mali ko yon. But I don't blame you for it. It's really just me. That's why I pull myself out.
Yeah.
The thing lang that happened was, I guess for now, for my mental health, I guess, ang dami kong little move out. Hanggang naging completely move out.
Yes,
Ganon.
yes,
Parang
yes.
ganon nangyari siya.
Yes, yes. Well, before you moved out, kumbaga, ang dami kasing mga
Fake news?
Wattpad stories about you.
Actually,
Literal actual fan fiction. Alam mo yung,
literal.
yung AU about you. Yung people,
What's AU?
alternate universe. Parang fan fiction. Parang,
Actually, sobra.
ang galing to. Yung story na to, parang, saan mo to napulot na imagination? Kasi, talaga, di ba? And I would like to give you the opportunity to clear it up. Kasi parang feeling ko, hindi mo kasi
sometimes it's so weird.
di ba?
It's just so, sometimes it's just stupid.
Yan din sinabi ni Lenny Robredo, di ba? Yung sobrang stupid nung din niya clarify, ang dami naniwala. Natalo siya ngayon sa election.
Pero, well,
so ngayon na nga. So, let's
pero
see.
yeah,
Let's see.
diba?
Kasi parang iba talaga,
sometimes
parang,
like,
kasi like ako, kunyari ako, alam ko naman yung truth di ba? Pero, syempre, it's not my position to explain or whatever, di ba? For example, unang-una dyan, pinakamalaking misconception, hindi ba misconception, pinakamalaking rumor about you is that, just yes or no, is it true that you leak artists' information?
no. Ano naman funny kasi siya. Sobra siyang funny.
So, no, it's not true.
No, it's not true.
Okay. Do you know what happened there?
Can I say that story ba?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna edit it. So let's just not name names or whatever.
Yeah. Kasi there was this artist and then they were gonna come here and then they want to do something outside the city. So they asked me where. Hello, ako, I know where. Hindi ka ako naka-overnight. I don't know where the coolest places are in the Philippines and stuff. So, sabi ko, ask na lang your travel agency kung ano yung cool spot sa Philippines. Kasi I'm not sure. So, they gave me a place for it. I said, okay, great. Tapos sabi ko, do you want us to arrange anything? And no, just hatid lang sila. Ganyan-ganyan lang. Okay na. Okay, that's it. So, we don't know why. We don't know what they're gonna do. What's the schedule. Wala kaming alam. Basta we just arranged, make sure na nandun sila sa airport tapos. That's it. We don't know where they're gonna go after. Kasi they arrange it na within themselves sa travel agency nila. Kasi that's what promoters do. We just take care of their schedule during the show.
Yes.
Definitely, alam ko yan kung saan, anong oras siya pupunta sa venue, anong oras siya alis, anong oras yung fan event. But anything outside, personal stuff, I don't know. Kasi first, I don't care. It's not our business to care. That's their free time. That's
Totoo
their
naman.
freedom.
Oo, totoo naman.
So wherever they wanna go, they wanna meet their friends, they wanna hang out somewhere, wala. Diba? I have so many artists, diba? Nag-party somewhere. That's fine. We only support it if they need extra. But other than that, we don't. So it was really a very stupid
Ano kaya nangyari
rumor.
doon? Bakit saan nanggaling yun?
I think kasi during that time when the artist was there, I think there was a group of fans in the same space. And then that group of fans apparently were part of a fan club. And diba, Pulp is very collaborative with fan clubs. That one, guys, talagang wala na kayong choice dyan. Kasi we really support fan clubs. Kasi I started doing this business. There's nobody helping me but fan clubs.
Yeah, true.
Diba? That's where my loyalty to fans come in.
Yeah.
I value fans more than sponsors ka, diba? Alam mo yan?
Of course.
I value fans more than media, more than sponsors. I'm very particular with that, and especially with fan clubs. Because I feel they're so busy promoting na, I would help them and assist them if they need some assistance. It's like that. So they thought tuloy, these certain group of fans, they got the information from me. But that's not true. And even the fan club knew that. They know na it's not from me. Nas tsempohan lang that they were really there celebrating something, I guess. So parang sila yata kasi parang when it first came out, I wasn't involved yet.
Yeah. Yes.
I think that's what people forgot na. The origin of that rumor
Yes.
was, I was not involved yet. It was just about that person who leaked it who said na,
Who made that rumor?
who made that rumor na yung fan club, parang
Nakakuha-
bakit nila alam
oo,
doon,
ganun,
nakakuha ng
ganun.
info. So nagdemandahan na sila within that barangay pa lang. Binarangay
remember.
nila yung person.
Totoo. Yung nag-leak nung, ang alam ko, from what I remember, I think this was 2017, ano?
I don't know.
Yes,
Oh, yes.
Kasi parang dun pa ako sa nakatira sa Scout Fernandez nun eh. Wow. Kasi nung nagpapasa ako nung Twitter, nakahiga ako, alam ko yung tsura nung kama ko nun. Parang, pinabarangay yung nag-leak yung nag-spread nung rumor. Tapos nagalit yung nanay niya.
Nagalit nanay
Oo, kasi
niya.
parang, ano nangyayari? Ba't nagkaroon ng barangay? Kumbaga parang yung nanay niya, walang kamuwang-muwang, napabarangay yung anak niya. Parang gano'n. That's what I remember.
So it was like that. So they fought it na that time. So
Within themselves,
within
no?
themselves, kasi I didn't really naman know about that. Tapos yun, and then I didn't know na, and then didn't hear anything about that anymore.
Until it came out.
Until
again.
biglang ako na pala.
Oh.
Kasali ako doon. But then, when I found out about it, it was a year or 2 years after na eh.
Hindi.
Mia,
You.
I found out na ako pala yung
Tinuturo.
sinasabi mga a year after na. Basta it took a while before I found out na it was my fault, ganyan. I felt so stupid opening the topic again. Alam mo yun? Na parang, parang weird. But then the problem is, it always comes out. Like, seryoso ba tayo, guys?
Pero hopefully, by today, matapos na to. Sana naman natuldukan na to.
At saka darating na nga eh, di ba?
Kaya na nga. Pero hindi ko may kasalanan
It wasn't
nun.
really that.
Yeah. Yes, that's
It's
true.
just that it was really time for them to grow somewhere else. Tsaka,
Mm-hmm.
if you're gonna be so particular about that, why are you just looking at Philippines? They
Yes.
didn't go anywhere else. They were focused on the western side. How come doon? Wala namang promoter na nag-leak ng location. Ba't di ka punta doon?
Tsaka nakakano kasi doon na parang, naiintindihan ko, like, some people might be frustrated and everything, pero kasi it's actually literally not true.
Yeah.
Yun
It
eh,
was
yung
really
parang-
very, very, very... Kasi actually nalaman ko pa ngayon kasi a friend of mine, random friend lang not even in the scene, teller niya sa bangko, sinabi sa kanya.
Kaya na
Kaya
nga.
ako hindi kasi what? Alam mo yung what the heck?
Umabot na siya doon.
It's like, guys, seriously, do I really have that power?
And do you really have the time for that?
No, I don't have that power to control anyone's decision. So, diba? So, it's very, it's too much to put into someone.
Na isang tao lang. Oo.
Oo.
Exactly. And another thing also na parang feeling ko hindi katotohanan about you is that meron ka daw favoritism.
Wala
Pero,
akong favorite.
Gusto ko kasi alam ko yan. So, please.
Well, actually, if I'm just gonna be yabang kasi, I could really flex. if I want to. Diba? You know that.
Yes.
Yeah. Mga ganyan-ganyan. But, I don't. Why? Because it's really not something na I'm very, very 100% like 24 hours, 7 days a week. Yan lang ba talaga iniisip ko? I think of a lot of stuff. I play.
Yes,
People
yes.
think kasi I'm so K-pop, I'm so into K-pop, that's all I do.
Yeah.
That I know everything that's happening, that I know every artist, I know ganyan.
Mm.
So parang every time, they think I know 100% of it. But
Mm.
actually, no, I'm busy playing with my Lego. I'm
Totoo.
busy collecting my toys. I have so
Yes.
many hobbies that I don't really have time to have a favoritism
Mm.
on anyone. I have a favorite on the spot. Kaya na siya.
Oh yeah,
Diba?
yung parang bias mo dito sa
Yes,
group na
diba?
yan.
Kahit
Correct,
naman
correct.
nung when I was watching Beaniverse, diba sabi ko, diba minessage kita?
God, oo.
Sabi ko parang gusto ko na si Maloy.
Yes, yes.
Tapos sabi ko, "Hindi, makulit na ako.
Correct, correct,
It's like
correct.
that. I'm just there by the moment.
Yes, yes, yes.
But, it doesn't go beyond.
Mm.
That's why I always tell the fans nga, diba? You're more of a better fan than me. Kasi, they know everything about their idols and biases.
Yes,
And me,
yes,
I don't even know. Even yung pinaka or OG na artist that I love, sabihin natin si Itok. Because I really admire him leading Super Junior, diba? I really admired how he can lead them and then they have maintained this status in the industry, diba? So I really admire him to the point na I only know his birthday kasi magkasunod kami ng birthday.
Correct,
Kumbaga,
correct.
happy birthday to me, happy birthday to you. Parang
Yes,
ganyan.
yes, yes.
But other than that, I don't know his favorite color. I don't know what he loves doing. I guess I know he loves golf.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Mm.
So, there's no favoritism for me. Kahit na
Yes.
ikaw, diba, hindi nga kita favorite.
Di mo ba ako favorite? I was gonna say I'm the only favorite eh.
Ikaw lang ang influencer friend ko.
Yun pa.
Ano?
Yun pa, isa pang misconceptions. Ang dami mo daw pinapaupo sa harapan, mga influencer, mga ganon.
Wala, ikaw nga, wala kang upuan lagi.
Kaya na nga, wala akong ticket.
Wala siya.
Hindi ako nakaka-ticket. Huwag niyo ko hingan ng ticket. Wala rin akong
Alam
ticket.
mo, actually marami kasi misconceptions about us as friends din.
Totoo naman. I-clarify natin to.
Like, people would always message me, don't get her as your MC. Don't ganyan. You know, I don't get Kring as my MC in my show because she's my friend. Alam niya yan. I could always not get her.
Yes, yes.
But I get her if I know she would make my artist comfortable. It's because I always think of the fans and the show first. Diba? Alam ni Kring yan. As in, before our show, lagi yan nag-uusap kami niyan, not because, huy, makikilala mo si ganyan. Not even. We always think na parang, kilala mo ba si ganyan? Kasi talaga, and then she would watch it or kikilalanin niya. Because ganito character niya, very introvert to, quiet. So, pull her out of her shell. Diba? Ganun tayo mag-usap every time eh. So, it's really not biased. And then it's really more of what's gonna make the event more fun. In my perspective, because I'm the one producing.
Correct.
So bakit ko isipin perspective na ibang tao?
Correct,
Wherein
correct.
I'm the one producing, I'm the one showcasing the artist. So yun yung reason. And then kala tuloy kasi ng mga tao, like I have so many influencer friends I put in front. No, if you look at all our shows, everyone in front are the super duper duper fans.
Tsaka hindi ka talaga nagbibigay ng access sa influencers. Yun sure talaga ako doon. Promise.
Kasi influencer ka na nga, wala kang picture. Nagreklamo nga to sa akin, sabi niya, ako lang yung MC na wala ko lagi picture.
Sobra. Alam mo, 23 na ata ako nagka-picture sa mga, wala kasi talaga akong picture. Tapos nakita ko lahat ng mga host, lahat sila may mga post sa Instagram. Ako lang yung host na wala talaga akong selfie.
So parang galit na, parang nilalabas mo lahat sa akin. Kaya pala ako nag-guest dito.
Kaya na nga, kaya sabi ko talaga, hindi na ako makakapayag. Tapos na ang pandemya, ilalaban ko na to, or baka naman, pwede naman ako mag-selfie. Kasi lahat ng host may picture. Si Kring Kim lang wala. Di ba pwede?
Hindi, kahit nga when you ask me, diba, you want a
yun na
photo,
nga.
I never answer you.
Yes.
I always tell her, you ask the management.
Yes. And also, as a fan, before, as a fan, I also believe that I should have, parang
Ganun,
line.
kasi old school fan kasi tayo.
Na parang, ba't ako magpipicture? Hindi ba nakakaya? Dami ko nang picture sa stage. Kailan dumating na nga yung point na lahat ng mga host may picture, ako lang wala. Parang bagang unfair. So, nung naglakas na yung loob ko, baka naman, pwede naman tayo mag-picture. Baka lang So, kaya,
Actually,
ayun.
feeling ko lakas loob mo nung kay Pak Unbin. Kasi siya nag-start eh. Siya nag-ask sa'yo, di ba, kung mag-picture kayo.
Pwede.
Feeling
Kasi
ko doon na
I
parang,
don't remember.
Parang
O parang, shit. Oo, gano'n. No, yes. Basta after pandemic na yun, na nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob magpa-picture sa mga ano. Pero hindi po totoo na, tsaka wala ka namang kaibigan? Anong influencer friends?
Grabe siya, kulang mga kaibigan. Wala talaga ako.
Sino kaibigan mo?
Ikaw.
Oh, sino pa?
Yung mga pop stuffs.
Saka si Melay.
Si Melay.
Saka sa sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya, ang dami na talaga nang hihingi sa'yo ng ano, hindi mo talaga pinagbibigyan. Yun talaga yung the best ka talaga sa part na yun. Kasi she would always tell
May
me,
award lang, ano?
di ba nga, you would always tell me, ba't ko ibibigay dyan? Bibigay ko sa number 1 fan.
Exactly.
Yun ang lagi mong ano bakit ko bibigay dyan? Porket mas marami siyang followers, porket assista siya.
Oo. Tapos biglang ngayon lang siya lumabas.
Di ba? Tapos bida-bida pa, late ka na dumating, gusto mo pa
Oo
sa
nga,
harapan.
late ka pa.
Diba?
Alam mo, 6 tayo mag-umpisa.
Diba?
Tapos papas-assist ka pa. No, thanks.
Nope.
Ay, no, mainit.
Not on our watch, bitch. Parang dapat pinagalaban. Ano ba yun? Nag-away ba tayo?